technical skills of our RSAF fighter pilots and the brilliant engineering of the Typhoon here in the beautiful skies over Tanagra City during Athens Flying Week 2025. In the cockpit of the aircraft, Major Mshari Mastour Al-Usaimi waving at you. Major Mshari Al-Usaimi stands as a testament to excellence and perseverance. Through hard work and determination at the last race, we earned his place as Principal Air Academy. The journey counts inspiring ourselves. Coincided with the Typhoon entering the RSAF fleet in 2009. From the moment he embarked on this journey, he began transforming the dream into reality. Much like the stories of our RSAF aviators who have soared to great heights and remained steadfast in their pursuit of greatness. Today, he skillfully maneuvers the same airplane, crafting a narrative of bravery and mastery, honed through 15 years of rigorous training. Inspires us, but also resonate with anyone who dares to dream big and chase their passions, embodying the spirit of Saudi tenacity and ambition.